Hi everyone, this is Tony from Triminator, and today we're going to be removing the shear band in the Triminator XL. First, we'll verify that the motor is turned off and the power cords have been unplugged. Next, we'll position the machine in the horizontal position and release tension on the shear band. To release the tension, turn the adjustment knob clockwise slightly. While turning the knob, flip the pawl off the ratchet so it is no longer in contact. Once the pawl is no longer engaged, release the tension knob and the shear band will now hang freely within the trimmer. Okay, now that that's done, it's time to remove the drum. To remove the drum, loosen the two set screws on the drum retainers and slide them up and away from the drum. Snug the screws so they stay out of the way. Retract the motor drive from the drum by pulling the lever away from the machine. When fully retracted, a pull pin will automatically lock and hold it in the open position. Using two people, slide the drum gently away from the machine and set it on a non-abrasive surface. If the drum does not come out easily, check that the shear band has been released as described earlier. Next, we'll remove the shear band. To do this, pull the shear band off of the metal tabs which hold it in place. To start, begin at one end and pull the band up and away from the opposing end until the slot in the band has cleared the first tab. Then, maintaining tension on the band, repeat this motion until the slots in the band have cleared all the tabs. Over time, you can do this in a single continuous motion. This can be difficult at first, but becomes easier over time. Once you've removed one side, move to the other side to complete the process. Thanks for watching. If you have additional questions on the Triminator XL, please visit thetriminator.com.